I'm going to share such a great news regarding Syncrobit token, SNB token. First of all, in my previous videos, I told you about Syncrobit Hybrid Exchange, that it is live for all the users. Anyone who want to sign up on Syncrobit Hybrid Exchange, it is your time to sign up over there, and you can basically buy BTC, Ethereum, SNB token, everything from Syncrobit Hybrid Exchange. Before moving on, kindly subscribe our channel Expert Studio and also press the bell icon so you are not going to miss any of our video. And as you know, I always share all the latest news regarding the market, regarding every ICO, IEO which is basically going to come in the market for buying and selling. Right now, at this time, Syncrobit token, SNB token, covers up a new mile which they basically promise. It means whenever they promise, they basically make that work as a mission and accomplish it every time. As you all know, what is Syncrobit Hybrid Exchange? Syncrobit Hybrid Exchange is designed to serve you faster, smarter, easier, cheaper, and better than ever. Minimize your risks and maximize your ROIs. And as I told you before even, that SNB token will work on Syncrobit Hybrid Exchange as a fuel token. It means any token which is basically a fuel token of any exchange, definitely that token will give you maximum ROIs. So it is your time to buy this token at low price, because at this time the price is 0.14, 0.15. But seriously, I'm not going to mention any type of price, but you can see this very token, SNB token, on first you can say 20 to 25 CMC tokens. You can see this token after 1 year. Seriously, you can see this token on the first row of 20 tokens of CMC, coin market cap. So it is your time to buy this token at low price, because otherwise when it will list up on more exchanges, till now it is, I think, minimum on, you can say, around about I think 6 to 7 exchanges, and after, you can say, the first phase will end up, then you can see a proper price at that time. You can say initiative in that one price, about you can say the price will go more than $5 to $6, and then you can see it about more than $20. So it is your time to invest in SNB token. Here you can see the white paper, the short paper, and the quick page where you can read all the things regarding Syncrobit token, SNB token. At this time, they basically listed up on the P2P B2B exchange. On 25th of March, you will be able, it means from today, you will be able to trade this token on P2P B2B exchange. You can buy this token from P2P B2B. You can trade this token on P2P B2B. So it is your time to buy this token on P2P B2B, and even you have other options also like Probit, IXX, the Alterdice. These type of options still you have the livecoin.net, but at this time on the P2P B2B you just have to buy, because at this time the SNB token, you at this time you can say a simple thing regarding this, that it is basically on the main route to fly. Seriously, it is basically on the runway at this time, SNB token. So seriously, it will fly very soon. So it is your time to be in the plane of SNB token. It is your time. You can basically read each and everything. You can basically join their social media and ask each and everything, because 24/7 support is over there for you, which is going to answer each and every question of yours. And I'm trying my level best to take at least the one guy from the team of SNB to talk with us on the live EMA, and definitely we are going to ask number of things regarding the whole exchange, Syncrobit Hybrid Exchange, and we are going to talk about SNB token. So it is your time to grab this token at low price. Otherwise, seriously, if you are going to see this video after 1 year or 6 months, you are going to regret this thing. So it is your time. Grab this token as soon as possible, and I will definitely share multiple things. I will share number of maximum, you can say, the all questions of all the traders and buyers with you very soon, and I will share these questions with the team very soon, and I will share all the news regarding SNB very soon with you. Thanks a lot.